Okay, good evening, everyone. Hello. Times are crazy right now. Absolutely crazy. And in this stream tonight, things may just get even crazier. Let's see. Bitcoin right now, at the time of this live, $67,400. It's getting volatile out there. Just double checking that we are live. A bit laggy on my phone. Okay, we are live. Good. It was my phone, my error. We are live. We are good to go. Bitcoin right now, $68,600. As I say, it's been really volatile today. Sideways, not much price action, and then out of the blue around 1 PM today, 2 PM, Bitcoin shot from $67,500 to $70,000. $70,000, a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Let's have a look at it on the Bitfinex chart. It got to $69,929. On Binance, we reached $70,000. So let's go with Binance. Let's call it $70,095. A new all-time high for Bitcoin, which is mind-blowing when you've been in this market for a while and you're in this market down here. November 2022 when Bitcoin sat around $16,000 for how long was it down there? For around 2 months. And then throughout this time, in fact, let me go into this, right? So for anyone who's been following the channel the full time or following on CC Pro, you'll know that throughout this time on the way up, that it never really felt like it was on its way up. No one in the community, there wasn't a narrative that the Bitcoin market was moving up. And the reason for that, which I explained on every live stream, every members video, is that we only had a short pump up, a couple of days up, followed by months of sideways and down, which I'll demonstrate right now. So a tiny bit of time spent going up, followed by months of going sideways. And this happened time and time and time and time again, every single time. Short pump up and then down and sideways for how long is that? So from March to June. 3 months of down and sideways, followed by a week up, followed by 4 months of down. So throughout this time, Bitcoin was trending up, but it didn't feel like it was trending up. Because there was so much time spent going sideways or going down, it didn't feel like it was trending up. But we've done multiple posts, every single live stream, repeating the same thing. We are in an uptrend. Until the trend is broken, the trend is your friend till the end. And only now that Bitcoin spends a longer time span moving up, like here, now people start to realise, people start to say, oh, Bitcoin's going up now. But really, Bitcoin has been going up for 421 days. Bitcoin has been going up. A year and a half. This isn't brand new. This has been happening for a long time. So if you think it's just getting started now, That's wrong. It was just getting started in November 2022. But that is why this bull market or this pump is taking a lot of people by surprise, because of the time in there spent going up for a short period of time and sideways for months. All the posts we were doing throughout this time is talking about patience and talking about an uptrend. Because it was just going sideways for months in here, people would leave the crypto market. Go on Instagram and check the reels we done. And we were saying, like, people are leaving this market because of impatience. But if you just hang in there, you'll get the rewards for that patience. But most people just quit anyway because they can't hack price going sideways. So if you're one of those people who could handle the sideways, your patience has been rewarded handsomely. But I'm going to jump into the chat, see what the chat is, and then we'll get into today's marathon stream. Because if Bitcoin is to break into a new all-time high, a proper all-time high, it's just up there kissing the all-time high. If it's to break into a proper all-time high, the market can get pretty crazy pretty quickly. Got a lot of Wolf fans in here tonight. Can we get up some Wolf? Wolf is getting on not too bad, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. So Wolf was a CC Pro meme coin. Again, followers of the channel know that we don't like meme coins, we don't promote meme coins, but members have been asking us continually for months to bring some sort of opportunity. So yeah, we found one and we've brung it. The thing is that this is an early one, so it literally just launched today, which is why we're able to let members know about it. If you're investing in a meme coin that's been about for weeks or months or years, you're not going to get meme coin gains, and we did a video about this. Your channel. So we did a video basically exposing the meme coin mania, which is the truth about meme coins. So check that video out if you're looking to invest in meme coins. That'll tell you the truth behind meme coins. Because if you're investing in a meme coin that's been about for months, you're just exit liquidity. So yeah, we waited and waited. Then there was this meme coin that has came up that is just launching today. So that is the best opportunity. If you can, and we said that on that video last year, if you can get a meme coin early when no one talks about it, then fair enough. But if you're buying a meme coin that everyone's talking about, you're probably going to lose a lot of money, unfortunately. But that is meme coins. Meme coins is gambling. If you're going to invest in meme coins or take meme coins seriously, you just need to be prepared to lose all your money. And if you do, that's fine, that is what it is. But meme coins are not serious. They're all Ponzi trash, to be honest. But as you've seen, the gains in meme coins is insane right now. So basically anything that's trending right now is a meme coin. Let's see, trending leaderboards. Meme coin, meme coin, meme coin, meme coin, meme, meme, meme. All memes are all trending. which for investors who are serious, investing in real life products that are changing the world, this is a bit it's not the best to see, but it is what it is. What it does, the only benefit I suppose of meme coins is it gets in new people into crypto. They try and invest in meme coins, they probably get burned and lose money, but that's them into crypto, and then they can move into real things like Bitcoin that they won't lose all the money in. But it's a good way to get people in, basically. And if you look here, Flocky up 700% in the past 30 days, 700%, which I did a video on this a year and a half ago. I'm spending 10k on Flocky, you know, right here. And in that video I said it's a meme, it's nonsense, but they pump. I don't know why they pump, but they pump. So yeah, we are up a lot from this $10,000 buy. So there is a lot of wolf investors in the chat. Wolf looking good. I'm here because of Wolf. Wolf all day, every day. Let's Wolf. Let's see the Wolf chart. So here is the Wolf chart here. The chart looks good, but again, it's really new. What market cap are we sitting at now? $3 million market cap. This could easily be $30 million. Easy. What is let's have a look at some comparisons. So Shiba, $20 billion market cap. Billion. Pick a random shitcoin. Solana, $65 million. Wolf is $3 million. And the thing with meme coins is all of the money from this shitcoin flows into this shitcoin, into this shitcoin, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. And then now that this is up 3,000%, this one, people take profits from it and they put it into other things that are $3 million market cap, like Wolf, and then rinse, repeat. And then when Wolf pumps up high, they take profit into the next meme coin and constantly rotate the meme coins. That is reality for meme coins. So Bitcoin is breaking its all-time high, $70,000. It's one of the largest assets in the world, breaking into a new all-time high, and it's number 14 on trending because baby Dogecoin is more trending than Bitcoin right now. Dog with hat is more trending than Bitcoin right now. It's disappointing, but it is what it is. Let's be honest. We need to accept it. Can someone in the chat give me a reason why meme coins are good? Like, bring a positive light to meme coins, and I'll share it with everyone on the channel. Because I don't really see many positives, but maybe I'm missing something. Tell me a positive about meme coins. So that's a good point. So Anseli is saying because they're funny. True. That's fair. That's fair. They're funny. That's a good point because look, I suppose it is a culture thing, which is fair. So good point. And it's like, so my thing is, right, that they are, you could call it like anti-establishment, like they're against the big dogs, they're against Wall Street. It's a community, it's a small community, and all the small guys can make some money. That's fine, right? But it's Wall Street that pumps and dumps these things. Dog with hat is worth $2.2 billion. The average man investing $20, they don't have $2 billion. So remember that $2 billion is coming from somewhere. Where is that somewhere? It's Wall Street. So it is the rich guys, and they'll dump on all the small guys when it's high. So yeah, like the small guy can make some money on it, but 99% of the small guys won't, because the small guys buy when it's high. The small guys buy when it's $2 billion in market cap, hoping to get 100x or 1000x, and they won't. If you want 100x or 1000x, you need to buy a meme coin that no one is speaking about, or that's very early or very low in market cap. Because a $2 billion meme coin like Dog with Hat, pathetic, that isn't doing 100x. That isn't going to $2 trillion. So yeah, if you want meme coin gains, you can't buy anything like that. Not financial advice, blah blah blah. They bring new people to crypto. Fair. That's fair. They thicken your pockets up. That's a good point. If you do catch meme coins early, the gains are huge, really huge. But with meme coins, liquidity can be a massive issue. So on paper, it can look like you've got a lot of crypto, but when you try and sell it, it's a different story. But yeah, what we're thinking on, what we're saying for a market cap for this, it depends how heavy the marketing goes, how good the marketing team is, how high this can go. I think CC Pro members bought in at like $300,000 market cap, so it's already up 10x from then. Which, yeah, up 47,000% in 24 hours. It's mad. Robert's saying it brings attention to crypto. Good, but is it bringing the wrong attention? Because if I was a serious investor and I didn't know anything about crypto, and somebody said to me, oh mate, I'm going to invest 50 grand in Dog with Hat, I'd be like, whoa mate, you're insane. What are you talking about? You're genuinely insane. So yes, it brings attention, but I think it brings the wrong attention, to be honest. Josh is saying new money into the market. That's a good point. That's a good point. A lot of people like to gamble on meme coins, and those who win, the big dogs, they'll put it into higher cap coins, and the liquidity just moves from meme coins into better coins, into real coin, meme coins and real coins. Community engagement, nah, I'm not buying that. Cock Inu is up. Whales need to attack the memes first to bring retail in, and then proper crypto projects can rocket with more heads. Yeah, fair. Maybe they are more like Bitcoin than you think. Both have no actual use. I don't know if that's probably a joke. There's lessons to be learned from meme coins, good and bad. If a new investor loses their full investment, it will make them more cautious in the future. That's true. That's true. There is lessons to be learned in meme coins. Are we getting a wolf breakout live on stream? Wolf was on Ethereum, Pepe's original friend. Teaches the true volatility of this market. That's true. I'm 10k richer than I was this morning. That's a positive enough thing for me, Dick. Fair. That's good. I'm glad to hear that, Liam. There's two Wolf on ETH. People got confused with Wolf and instead pumped the other one today, not the new one. I think people are confused. So yeah, this is the real one. I don't know what the fake one is, but this is the real one here. So this one is available on Uniswap. In fact, will I retweet? If we've got a contract address for... Here we go. Is this the correct one? Before I retweet it. The contract address ends 615. There's only 812 holders as well, which is pretty crazy. Memecoins should have, well, do have eventually thousands of holders. Is this the correct contract address before I retweet it? I don't know if it is. I don't want to open MetaMask or anything like that right now on stream. 615, yeah, that's the one. So I've just retweeted it on Twitter. That is what it is, Wolf, and it's available on Uniswap. That's the contract address. But let's get back to the juicy, because without this asset, this market is nothing. I know there's a lot of meme coiners in the building, but yeah, if Bitcoin crashes to $20,000, your meme coins will be crushed to zero. Unfortunately, or fortunately, whatever way you want to think about that. So yeah, Bitcoin is it is absolutely desperate to break out. That today was just a big flush out of all the longs, then it's sideways, and then it's up next, and it's been moving that way the entire time. Flush out longs, move sideways, move up, flush out longs, move sideways, move up. Let's have a look at total 2. It's crazy how fast this market moves. It is mad. So here we've got the altcoin market, essentially. This is the entire crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. That's pretty cool because this was drawn on stream last week when we were down here at 800 billion, saying this is a retracement that we're looking to hit, and we're almost there, which is pretty cool. And then on here, as you can see, in fact, we can check in on the CC Pro basket. This is when the CC Pro basket was released. Good timing, I think so. Was it planned to be released then? Yes. Let's have a look at the CC Pro basket. Let's see how it is getting on CoinMarketCap. Nice. We are up. So Bitcoin's actually outperforming currently. So this is the performance of the CC Pro basket. What the basket is a 5k investment looking to return $100,000 investment. In fact, can I bring it up on... I'll try and bring it up on the screen. No, I can't. Right, that's annoying, but it is what it is. In fact, I can post the image on X. So yeah, the goal for the basket is to invest $5,000 and return $100,000. We launched the basket in August, and since then, this is the performance. Currently, we're up at $17,000. So that is good. But the best thing about the basket is that it now runs risk-free. As you can see here, we took $5,000 profit. It's sitting in Tether in a stablecoin. The basket can't lose. So anyone who participated in the basket is now risk-free, essentially. Which is good for us. We're happy with that. Anyone who was crazy enough to copy us is now running risk-free. The best performer in the basket was LimeWire, which did over 1200%, which we took profit on, which was nice. Let's have a look over on X, see how X is getting on. Oh, in fact, that's another one to report on right now, is Alvara. Alvara has been performing really well today. Again, Alvara was another CC Pro opportunity. CC Pro opportunities have been absolutely smashed out the park the past few months. So if you aren't in CC Pro, there is a link down below where you can check that out. That is CC Pro here. The original and best crypto education Discord. And that is the CC Pro basket here. But yeah, let's have a look at Alvara. Nice. So Alvara today had a good run up today, up to $1.87. CC Pro members got this at 15 cents. So yeah, CC Pro members are up over 12, 13, 14x, which is magnificent, if I don't say so myself. But yeah, let's have a look at the news from Alvara today, because they just listed on Bitget, I'm sure it was. Yeah, Bitget. Nice. More liquidity for Alvara. More places for people to trade Alvara, buy and sell. Yeah, that is good news. I'm sure Alvara has got more big listings coming soon as well, which is lovely jubbly. Alvara is actually a really good, so unlike Memecoins, Alvara is actually legitimate. I'll do a full video on this very soon, but in short, for anyone who knows or uses Swissborg, there is a thing, thematics, and it's basically like a index fund, so you can invest in a gaming thematic, so it's like a gaming index fund, and it just gives you exposure to a bunch of different cryptos. Alvara is similar to this in a more decentralized manner. People can make up baskets, they can make up certain funds, like a GameFi fund. Then people can invest in that fund, and if the fund is performing well, they can sell on the fund as well. It's all tokenized, It's all decentralized as well. But the thing that is good about Alvara is that each basket that is created must have the Alvara token in it as like a tax. So that causes a lot of buying pressure for the token, which for anyone who invests in tokens, they want the value to go up. How do the value go up? They need demand. And for each fund that is created on Alvara, it must have the token inside it. So that is basically where the demand comes from. But I'll do a full video on that. But yeah, it's good to see that another CC Pro members call is doing really well. I was really excited about this one. I did tell members that out of all the seed rounds we done, this was the not the one with the most potential, because Antara, I would say, has got the most potential if this Hollywood movie is to take off the way it can. That would maybe have a bit more potential, but as a product itself, this product has a lot of potential, which is good. $69,200. This is mad. Is this real life? This is crazy. And look at some of the swings. So it hit Bitcoin hit 49k, dropped to 38k. It dropped 21%, and then boom, it's off again. Even today, what was today's drop? From 18% today. The swings are mad. But I'm going to jump back in the chat, one sec. I'm back. So yeah, the chat is looking good. Is looking good. So I've got a few in here. Robert's saying that he knows that contract address off by heart because he's seen it that much in the chat room today. That's funny. Then we've got Jack Jarvis dropping in the contract address. Marcus, cheers for bringing us Wolf. I've never been able to buy it this early into a meme coin. Well, yes, it's good to, and we're maybe getting a little breakout. $300,000 market cap has been added to Wolf, which is nice. Send it to 30 million market cap. Opportunity for a long at 64k to 75k. I wouldn't be trading Bitcoin right now. Does Jack Jarvis work for CC? No, Jack Jarvis is a community member, one of the best community members, I'll say. Yeah, he's always there for the community, and the community likes Jack as well. Yeah, he's always there. He's always on hand to help out. So he doesn't work for us, no, but he's a really good community member, let's say. So he works for the CC Pro community off his own back. Yeah, which is cool. He owns CC. He's the CEO. Deck and Dawn work for Jack. That's true. We do. Jack is our boss. I've got an itchy left hand. What does that mean? Any superstitious people? Tell me it means something good, because if not, we're doomed. Really itchy left hand. So gutted I missed out in the basket. Yeah, that's disappointing, Lynn. The basket. The thing about the basket, which we've only recently found out, so the basket was 5k to 100k. So it was done on Bybit 6 months ago, whenever it was, when it launched in August. It was on Bybit, and you could basically buy with one click. That's why we done it. It was really easy, and you can basically copy the basket with one click. But what we didn't know is that people never done 5k. Some people done 20k, some people done 50k, and some people done over 100k into this basket, which is mad. It's fine now because that basket is up over 3 times in value. Yeah, so whoever invested 100k is now at like 300,000, which is good, and it's running risk free. But yeah, this basket was only supposed to be 5k, and some crazy community members, yeah, had a lot of faith in us and went a bit heavier than 5k. But yeah, back to Lynn. Gutted I missed out in the basket. You've missed out on the start gains of the basket. The aim for the basket is 20x, and we're currently on 3x. So you could still join it, but obviously the returns won't be the same as the basket because you're entering later. Or if we get a big market correction and the basket goes down to 10k or whatever, and we're sitting on 2x. But yeah, it's unfortunate, but yeah, is what it is. Do you think Swissborg will avoid listing Alvara since it's very similar to thematics? No, I don't think so, no. No, definitely not. I don't know if they will list this eventually. It depends how big it grows, how big it grows, basically. But no, Swissborg aren't like that, because that's why Binance haven't listed Borg, because yeah, they're seen as a competitor, which doesn't make sense because Swissborg uses Binance for liquidity, so Swissborg makes Binance money. Weird. Crypto is strange. In fact, is there any in the chat? Is there any basket holders? And if so, did you do 5k or did you be degenerate and do more than 5k? Let me know. But the next time we do a basket, it will be on a performance basis where we take a profit split, because this basket there is no profit split. We did this basket at literally the bottom of the bear market just to prove a point, basically, to prove ourselves to the market. So there is no profit share. All the money that members make on this, they keep. Poor us. But we'll set up a donation link where you can donate some of your profits, since we are absolutely skint. When do we get Alvara tokens? What percentage is them on the first release? Dylan's saying 6 months and a 5%. Alvara's up to 195, is it? Nice. Wolf is up to... Wolf got up to almost 9. Yeah, Alvara up to $1.90, which is good. I did actually buy, so members got in on the seed round on this at 15 cents. However, I did do a post for members and say that I'm buying it on launch, and I think I bought in. Members will be able to check, but it was roughly around 130, whatever it was, in here somewhere, because it went up to like $5, but I bought in like somewhere here, so that is in profit now, because I thought this was going to, I thought it would have pumped much harder than this, to be honest, but I suppose it's only been like a week, so patience pays. But yeah, I did buy more. I got in at the seed round at 15 cents and I just bought at $1.30 as well, because the seed round that I bought I don't get access for another 6 months, and I think this is going to perform sooner than 6 months. Good 1-to-1 today. Cheers, Dick. No worries, Scott. No worries, mate. I'm glad it helped. Good evening, Gazman. USDT up 0.1% today, and XRP up 0.28%. We are flying. Gain season. Any idea when Swissborg Series B funding will be? Soon, I would say. The reason soon is because timing is everything. Is that wolf crashed to the floor? It did. that is some Memecoin stuff right there. That is some serious Memecoin stuff. Look at that. Wow. Serious Memecoin stuff. So someone has just crashed the price. This one here. So somebody just dumped $42,000 worth and crashed the price 50%. That person doesn't have a brain. That is so silly. Because they cost themselves money when they do that. Yeah, if you're selling a large amount, you don't sell in the one sell. That person is a beginner, because they just cost themselves thousands by doing that. Yeah, that is a rookie mistake by this wallet here. Yeah, they just made 42k, so they might think, oh, that's fine. But they could have made 60 or 70k by selling over a few hours in smaller amounts. And the price has just been bought right back up. So yeah, that person shot themselves in the foot. But yeah, they're up. So each to their own. But yeah, the price has been bought back up straight away, which is pretty cool. Wow. Did anybody snipe a buy-in low there? But yeah, where were we? Bitcoin still $69,200. Let's jump back into the chat. Yeah, the chat is bouncing tonight. Itchy left hand means you're coming into money. Yes! Let's go. Let's go. Itchy left hands equals Jarvis coin is the next 100x. Do you have a vesting period breakdown for Alvara? It is in the chat above. I think it's 6 months and 5%. Alvara protocol will be the biggest gem via 10-set launchpad. It'll be the game changer in the crypto space. Possibly, it possibly will. That's what I did say to members, that it's a really good idea. It's basically similar to the way DAOs worked. except slightly different to a DAO. So yeah, it could be massive in crypto. Again, like all crypto, it's very speculative. David done a bit more than 5k. Robert done around 7k. Nice. Did Alex give his opinion on Vemp, not the coin, but them in general? He didn't know. Too late to buy Wolf. It's just been released today. The market cap is $2.6 million. Yeah, that's when you ask me, is it too late to buy? My reply is, it's launched like 12 hours ago, and it's a $2 million market cap. Then it's back over to you to decide on that. Thoughts on financial advisors? Yeah, done a video on that. Financial advisors are a scam. Check that out. It went on for a while, but it made sense. Has anyone else sold some massive? Nah. So some normal sales. Do you think Swissborg will ever list LimeWire or Opulus? Yeah, I do. I think they'll list LimeWire. I don't know about Opulus, probably not, but I do think they will list LimeWire. Yes, that can be a debt calls for this year. For it to be listed on, no, in fact, it's already on Binance. So yeah, maybe they need one more liquidity provider that Swissborg use, and then I think they'll list it. Alvara, how far do you think it will go? So what is it right now? 5 million? That's it? No, can't be right. It depends on its true market cap. It's supposedly 5 million market cap now. That could go 5 billion market cap, which would be 100x from here. Yeah, even something like 500 million market cap would be, no, in fact that would be 100x. 500 million. Or 300 million market cap already, which doesn't really make sense. I suppose fully diluted, but yeah, I'm not sure on Alvara. Because yeah, it's not fully set yet. Like even on, so what is it shown on this? It's shown as 1,200 in market cap, but a $384 million market cap isn't 1,200 in market cap. So I don't know if it's got another couple of weeks to sort out its market cap, while all the APIs get plugged in, and yeah, then you would need to kind of build some data on it. Then you can make a call on it, let's say. But it's hard to make a call on it now. It's been out how long? What has it been like? Like a week or something, is it? So it's only shown from today. So yeah, I think it will do really well, Alvara, put it that way, but until there is a accurate market cap, then I couldn't make a prediction on it. Because it's all market cap based. That's what you need to look at. And technically speaking, even market cap doesn't really make or break a crypto, because the market cap is a bit of a fugazi unless everyone is selling at the same time. I've been thinking about that recently. That market caps, or even fully diluted market caps, are a bit of a fugazi, maybe. I don't know, am I crazy by thinking that? That I think they are a fugazi, because unless everybody is selling at the exact same time, then is it really that market cap? Is there really $20 billion in a meme coin? Or is it just the market cap says that? Which is why I think that coins can get to astronomical market caps, because they aren't really at that market cap. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Do you understand what my point? Whoever dumped Wolf also uses Coinbase was clearly a moron. Yeah, that's fair. Beautiful to see the portfolio in the green after years of down. Cheers, CC Pro. You're welcome, mate, and I'm glad that you're in the green. Everyone should be in the green right now. Literally. Still holding XAD? Yes, I am. Still bullish on XRP? Yes, I am. Alvara 4x from here. That is like rookie numbers. 4x from here. Again, it's all market cap dependent, blah blah blah, but no, I would expect way more than 4x from here for Alvara. Let's have a look at XRP, because is XRP the sleeping giant? Yes, it is. When does XRP rally? It rallies at the end. Once all the meme coins are done, once all the shit coins are done, XRP goes. XRP goes last. Memes go first. Bitcoin goes first. Ethereum goes second. Memes go third. Shitcoins go fourth. XRP goes last. Always. And any charting geniuses out there will absolutely love the look of this right now. Love it. One warning message, let's say, for any XRP holders is when XRP moves, you don't have long to sell. And I'll show you why you don't have long to sell. So here is the bull run back in 2018 into 2017 when XRP went from nothing essentially to $3.30. This is on Binance. This wick is fake because it never wicked to zero. I don't know why that's there. If anyone knows why that's there, is it an API issue? I don't know. But from the breakout, let's call this the breakout here. From the breakout to the peak, you had 23 days to sell XRP. That sounds like a long time, but it's not. That is a very, 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 very short time. And the reason for that is, and it's shown as from the breakout, like 1400%. But obviously before then, it was yeah, the start of 2017 it was down at 1 cent. Is that right? Wow. Yeah, XRP's bull run was the biggest bull run in the crypto market. That bull run was XRP, which is why people love XRP. It might go last, but let's go even from April 17. From April 17, it done 9,000%, but it was even lower than that down here. Way lower. So even from April 2017 to December 2017, it done 10,000% in a high cap cryptocurrency. But yeah, the 23 days thing. So when XRP does break out, you only have 23 days to sell. But when it breaks out and you get your first pullback, when it's up to here, you think, yeah, it's just getting started, let's go, we're going to the moon. And then literally within 6 days it's all over. So you need to have the trigger finger ready to pull the trigger. Some coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin, you've got 5 months to sell them. But then in the big dogs with the big returns like XRP, I know that will annoy a lot of people, that's why I'm emphasizing it. So for the big hitters of the market like XRP, you don't have a long time to sell. The reason you don't have a long time to sell is because it goes up so fast and it goes up so much. So although it goes up the most out of any crypto in the market, it's also the quickest, and it's over lightning quick. The reason it's over lightning quick is so that not everybody makes money, because people will just keep holding and holding and holding. Oh, it's going to $20, $30, $50, $100, and then bang, it's over again. Oh yeah, it's going to $100, bang, it's over, and then it will spend the next 4 years going sideways again. $2 Alvara, nice. I don't have any insider information on Swissborg adding limit orders, but I do have public information, and it's that they are working on it. They've been working on it for a while. When you're building something as complex as a crypto meta exchange and an app with billions of dollars on it, these things take time. So yeah, they've been working on it for a while. It is coming. They've got a lot of things in development that's coming. That is one of them. So they say anyway. I hold XRP, but my only concern is how many people have been waiting so long to dump it. Could that affect it mooning? I'm glad you asked. One sec. So, to answer that question there, I hold XRP, but my only concern is how many people have been holding it and waiting so long to dump it. Could that affect it? There isn't a lot of people. The reason there isn't a lot of people is because of this. So, as I explained earlier, right, when Bitcoin was trending upwards throughout 2023, so it would go up in a quick line, and then it would spend 2-3 months going sideways. So people were sick of Bitcoin and nobody wanted to invest in it because it was boring. Bitcoin's boring. So the majority of idiots, let's call them, can't even wait 2 months. They can't even wait 2 months in a crypto. In Bitcoin. It rallies from 16k all the way to 31k, but then it spends 4 months going sideways. They can't handle that. This is a load of rubbish. Bitcoin's never going to make it. All it does is go sideways. It's a load of rubbish. I'm done with it. I'm going to go invest in property. I'm going to go flip properties instead. They quit. So when you say there's a lot of people waiting, holding it to dump it, there isn't. There isn't. There's a very small amount of people that have got the patience to wait literally 3, 4, 5 years. People don't have patience in crypto. People will sell their XRP and go chase a meme coin. And the longer it goes on and the more cryptos that start to pump over the next few months, the more and more and more people sell XRP until nobody's interested in it and nobody holds it, then it will pump, because that's exactly what happened in 2017. The whole crypto market was euphoric throughout this time. Every crypto was pumping except XRP. And what did people do during that time? They get impatient and they sold. Impatient get punished, patient get rewarded. So just by knowing humans, knowing human characteristics and psychology, they do not have the patience to hold XRP for that long. So, and when the liquidity enters XRP, remember who pumps meme coins? It's Wall Street. What was that? Dog with hat is valued at $2 billion. That same Wall Street person who pumped $2 billion into Dog with hat rotates straight into XRP early. So they rotate into XRP now at 60 cents. It pumps to 80 cents. Then the bull market kicks off. They've got in $2 billion in early. And then the snowball effects happens and every crypto starts to pile into XRP. Because that's all that happens. It's just it's a market dominance or a market share rotation where I'm sure there's graphs that show this. Maybe I can find it on here. Is there a different view of the market that you can see it in dominance? I can't remember what I can't remember where it is, but basically I'm sure it was on CoinMarketCap. Market cap. I'm sure it was in here. Perfect. So yeah, so what all the market is the market right now has got, let's say, what's it got in it right now? $2 trillion. All that $2 trillion is go from Bitcoin to Ethereum to this coin to that coin. The liquidity just flows through the market into different coins, and throughout that time Bitcoin takes all the dominance, then the dominance goes into Ethereum, then the dominance goes into this coin, goes into that coin, and the people who get in late to Bitcoin lose money. Then they go chase the next coin that's pumping, but they're in late, they lose money. Then they chase meme coins, they miss that, they lose money. The people who make money is the people that move first, and the people who move first is Wall Street. Crypto is just a big game for Wall Street. It's not this decentralized utopia that we all want to believe that it is. Crypto is corrupt, is even more corrupted than the stock market, because it's Wall Street that control it all. the crypto Twitter community or the crypto community will hate me for saying that. No, it's not. No, it's not. Crypto's decentralized. Wall Street aren't in crypto. They don't like crypto. They've been in crypto 10 years before you got into crypto. Wall Street has been here. Wall Street has been here the entire time. The entire time. You investing $50 doesn't make this market worth billions of dollars, well, trillions of dollars. It's all Wall Street. It's all Wall Street. And I've said that for years. And people are like, oh, that's the ETF approved. Wall Street's here now. Welcome, Wall Street. It's like, mate, Wall Street was literally here 10 years before you were here. Do you think Wall Street are that slow? Wall Street control everything. They control it all. So what Wall Street does, and when I say Wall Street, I just mean people in and around Wall Street, people who move markets, very wealthy people that own media companies, that own exchanges, they own news outlets, they own big businesses, they own corporations, they own hedge funds. That's who I mean when I say Wall Street. So what they do, Wall Street let's call them, they just move the liquidity. We've got 10 billion in here, let's move it into XRP. So when they move that liquidity into XRP, the price is low, then they move the liquidity there, then it starts to pump, then it starts to snowball. People leave and start chasing it. So they just roll the snowball first, and then everyone starts chasing the snowball. They're just making that first move, and then everyone else chases it, and retail runs it up even higher. Retail is the parabolic ending phase. So if your coin is lagging behind, like XRP did in 2017, and everyone loses interest, and everyone hates it, and everyone's impatient, and oh, that's a load of rubbish, I'm going to invest in a dog coin now. Just remember who owns this market, who controls this market. It's not the guy down the road investing $100 in a meme coin. Trust me. It's not the fancy Twitter account with 500,000 followers. It is not them. It's Wall Street. And Wall Street will not leave an asset on the table that hasn't pumped yet. Because why would they? They've got tens and hundreds of billions, or even over $1 trillion they've got to move this market and to make money from the market. They will not leave a single coin behind. And XRP is the only crypto in the world with regulatory clarity. No other crypto's got that. Solana hasn't got that. Ethereum hasn't got that. All your favourite cryptocurrencies, they don't have that. XRP is the only cryptocurrency that's written into law. So if you get impatient about XRP, it's natural to feel impatient because you'll see everything around you. Oh, look, that person's making money, that crypto's making money, that's making money, and mine isn't making any money. I'm just going to buy something else. Those are all natural feelings. But what is the saying of Crypto Glasgow? Comment down below what the saying is, what the motto is at Crypto Glasgow, please. There we go. Ewan straight in there. Patience pays. That is the saying of Crypto Glasgow. Patience pays. Just remember that. When you start feeling impatient, when you start chasing meme coins, just remember that patience pays. If you've invested in something for a reason, if you've got your own thesis there, your own ideas behind it. You've done your research. You know what you're aiming for. All it takes is patience. Patience pays. So we've got a hash with so many meme bot making it, and considering Wolf has been shelled by several influencers like yourself, it could still die. Thoughts? It will die. All meme coins will die because they're all trash. That's why we never speak about memes. In any stream that we go on, we say they're all the nonsense. They will all die because they're all nothing. They're all just a Ponzi. All memes are trash. Even the ones Shiba, even the ones at $10 billion market cap, it's trash. So, yeah, it could still die. Thoughts? Yes, it will. They will all die. So my thoughts are nothing. That is just how crypto works. Unfortunately, there's a lot of real world projects out there changing the world, serving unbanked people in Africa, and then you've got Shiba Inu worth $21 billion. My thoughts are that it's a pile of crap. It's nonsense. It's a disgrace. That is my true thoughts. Meme coins are a disgrace. They are all Ponzi's. Even this one at $21 billion is a Ponzi. They're glorified Ponzi's. Every one of them. Every single one of them. Dogecoin, $24 billion Ponzi. Shiba, $21 billion Ponzi. Oh, but the community, that's a load of nonsense. Ponzi's have got communities as well. So that's my thoughts. My thoughts is that they're trash, but I don't get to choose. If I was to choose, meme coins wouldn't exist, but they do. And there's billions of dollars in them. So while it's here, while it's going, I've only just decided this recently, I'm going to play with the meme coins. Because the last cycle, I avoided them. This cycle, I'm going to play. I've got the money to play now. The last cycle, I had to be more conservative because I didn't have the money just to splash. But now I've got a bit more money where I can afford to buy a few $1,000s in meme coins. And even though I'm buying a few $1,000s in meme coins, they are still trash. And I fully expect that they'll all go to zero. I'm just a random guy off the internet. I'll need to give some credit to that. So I'm just a random guy off the internet. So back in 2017, 2018 in crypto, in fact, I think he still makes videos now, but I followed the guy I watched basically every day back then was Crypto Zombie. I don't know if anyone in here watches Crypto Zombie or if he's still doing videos every day, but I'm sure he used to say something along those lines that don't listen to what I'm saying, I'm just a random guy on the internet, or I'm just a crazy guy on the internet. So I need to give credit to Crypto Zombie for that. MV targets, I've got targets, personal targets. Is that what you mean? Do you mean what am I aiming for? Because what I aim for and what's possible is different things. Like if I'm investing in MV, I could be happy with 600% returns, which is here, which is nothing on the grand scheme of things. But if I've invested $10,000 and I can make 600% on that $10,000, that's a lot of money. So yeah, be careful when you ask people for targets, because I could be happy with 200% on MV. I could be happy with that. So yeah, to go back to the whole market cap thing that I was mentioning earlier, fully diluted market cap is a fugazi. It's not real yet. So to go back to Alvara, I'll use Alvara, the market cap that was shown. So I don't believe in fully diluted market cap. Again, call me. That's the thing about me. I don't really care what people. I just think for myself. Whatever computes in my brain, I go with that and I'm happy. So I'm basically saying here that fully diluted market cap is a fugazi. It's a load of nonsense. Obviously, you've got your really serious people that, what do you mean that's not nonsense? Blah, blah, blah. But I think it's nonsense because it doesn't exist yet. So, based off the fact that the fully diluted market cap doesn't actually exist yet, and it's showing a current market cap of 5 million, I believe that can 100x from here. But don't listen to me, I'm just a random guy on the internet. I'm a guy that doesn't believe in something that exists, fully diluted market cap. So you can't take advice from me. I'm literally saying something that exists doesn't actually exist. But Bitcoin is not breaking into new all-time highs yet, which is disappointing. Even pulling back. So yeah, total out there degenerate. I believe from here that 500 million actual market cap is possible. Not fully diluted, because I don't believe in that. But actual market cap, $500 million is possible, which is 100x from here. There's a prediction for you. Think they could be deliberately suppressing XRP price like they did with silver and gold? No, I don't think it's that deep. No, I don't think it's that deep at all. I think it's just that is how that cryptocurrency moves. It's definitely not, because you get that. One sec. Because I'm an XRP guy. I'm a conspiracy guy, you could call me, but I don't believe that it's being suppressed. I don't really believe in the whole suppressed narrative. People say that about Bitcoin as well. No, I don't believe so. I believe that people who have the final say in pumping this, just wait. They've got all their Ethereum profits. They've got 50 billion profit in Ethereum. They've got 20 billion profit in Solana. then XRP is the final hurrah. Let's leave it to the end, then let's ride this thing to the moon. So, but it could be, I don't know, it could be suppressed, but I don't think it's that deep. I think it's just they don't want it doesn't make sense for them to pump everything at the same time, because they need to pump this coin, then pump this coin, then this, then this, then this, so that they can move the money into that coin, into that coin, into that coin. So this is down, ride that up, put it into the next one, ride that up, put it into the next one, ride that up. They don't want Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana all pumping at the same time. They need to move the liquidity from the one that's up into the one that's low, ride it up, remove it, put it into the other one. So I don't believe it's been suppressed. I just believe that there's a time and a place for each crypto, and it just so happens that XRP, the place for XRP is last, and the place for Bitcoin is first, always. Is fully diluted market cap in the room with us now? What are you talking about? I'm wearing a fully diluted market cap. So yeah, that's my opinion. In fact, for any is there any Borgos in the room? How hard is it? Any Borgos in the house? In fact, I never posted this stream on X. Should I do that? Let's post this on X live. If you're on X, could you engage with this post? Let's have a look on X, see how we are getting on. In fact, I've got a question there from Ewan about an average buy price, so I'll cover that in a sec once we've been through the X post. Thanks, Lewis, if you are on stream. Thanks, Robbie, for reposting. Let's have a look. Let's see what's going on X. Quick skim. Nothing. This one is massive with the Swissborg community, and to be honest, I wish I bought it a while ago, but it's past now. It'll probably do much higher, but this coin was shelled hard to us for weeks. And it's done thousands of % since then, so that's pretty annoying. But one thing that you need to remember is you can't catch them all. You'll miss them all. You'll miss 99% of them, unfortunately. Yeah, so nothing major on X. You would never know that Bitcoin's about to break an all-time high again, but cheers, Mark. Cheers, Jack Jarvis. Yeah, so to answer the question in the chat about average buy, let's have a look. So, question for you: how do you calculate your average buy-in price? I know Swissborg does it for you now, but when I calculate it, I'm getting different figures. So, how do you calculate your average buy-in price? So, download CoinStats or CoinMarketCap, and then enter each individual transaction how much you bought and what day and time you bought it. Then CoinStats or CoinMarketCap generates it automatically for you, and it will show you your average buy price. All you need to do is enter each time you purchased it, at the price, at the date, and then yeah, it's all automatic, which is good. A lot of Borgers in the chat. Let's have a look at Borg actually, because it did break out of a range, and now I think it's still up-ish, 25 cents. So yeah, it's had a good month, a really good month. Wow, we're down. Wow, that's nuts. When you zoom out, it's crazy how fast it moves. In February was 16 cents. I don't know if we'll ever get a chance to buy 16 cents again. I doubt it. Maybe we do, I don't know. But yeah, currently 25 cents now, which is nice. Up 50% this month. And for people who have most of their net worth in this coin, when most of your net worth is up 50% in 1 month, it feels nice. It feels pretty nice. Targets on Borg is Valhalla. Yeah, $3, $4, $5, $10. So this fully diluted market cap is real. This is real because the circulating supply is all out. So this fully diluted market cap makes sense. You can base judgments off this market cap. So yeah, a 10x from here, 2.5 billion, which would put Swissborg at $2.50. I would say 2.5 billion is more than achievable, because where does 2.5 billion put us up here? In today's current market cap, 2.5 billion would put us right in here, right in beside dog with hat. Dick, there's no way that Borg could reach 2.5 billion market cap. Are you crazy, mate? Yeah, true. Because dog with hat is worth 2.5 billion. No offence to any rune holders, because I know that a lot of members hold it, but you've got trash. Oh, people are going to be so angry. You've got trash like this, rune, Thor chain rune, at $2.5 billion. So if you think that Swissborg can't reach $2.5 billion market cap, 10x from here, have a look at what else is up at 2.5 now, and this is when the market is just heating up. There might be another trillion into the market, there might be another 2 trillion. Oh, I can't wait for the angry comments about Rune. this is and this is another thing as well, but it makes sense that we are on a shaky peg with the stock market, the crypto market. Remember, when things boom, when they go euphoric, when they pump hard, that is ending phases. So when Bitcoin had a huge rally, that marked the end of it all, the end of an era. Same in 2017, the massive rally, what did that cause? It caused the end of an era for years. So from a massive rally, we spent 1,099 days in the red. So although the huge rallies are really good, they're really exciting, they also mark the end. Then after that, it was 840 days. So just keep that in mind, that prices going high is good, but what comes after that is years of bad. So yeah, remember that. Have your profit taking levels set, and make sure you take some profit, or else you'll sit in a loss for another 3 years. Not financial advice. Check out FCA's website. This is educational purposes only. Please make sure you contact a financial advisor. I am just a random guy on the internet, and I don't have a clue about anything. Let's see how the good old faithful Memecoins getting on. So it's chilling at 1/6 of a cent, if that's right. No volume. The only big volume was that idiot that dumped 10 in the one transaction. Yeah, let's see how this one gets on. Current market cap 2.8 million. One that I did mention on X earlier is this. Where can a handsome young man purchase some Hex these days? Asking for a friend. Look at that chart. That is a chart, if I've ever seen one. And I bet you I procrastinate and I procrastinate and I procrastinate. In fact, I'm going to write it on the whiteboard right now. 1 second, so that I get it done. I'm going to buy Hex. And again, Hex can go to zero as well. That is, I'm fine with that. I'm going to write Hex right now. The reason for buying Hex is that it was, there we go, I posted that yesterday at 165, it's $2 today. Yeah, the reason I want to buy Hex is because, one, look at that chart. Two, it was the best performing crypto in the entire market in 2021. Three, I actually like Richard Hart. A lot of people hate him, but I think people who hate Richard Hart haven't actually watched or listened to him. They maybe seen a photo and they hate him, but I actually think he's really switched on. He's really sharp. Really sharp. Maybe I'm wrong, but I did watch a kind of long form. I watched them for 40 minutes, an hour, whatever it was. This is a couple of years ago maybe, but I watched him for a long period of time, and in that time I judged his character, and I thought he was a really sharp man. He dresses crazy. He dresses in Gucci and really in your face. But that is just a character to get eyes on him, which I totally understand, because we need to do that at Crypto Glasgow. We need to show fancy stuff to get people to watch. If you're just plain and boring and yeah, Hex is really good, like, nobody will watch it. So he looks very flamboyant, but he's actually really smart and sharp. So yeah, I've put it on the whiteboard. I'm going to buy some Hex. And before we move on, this is pretty important. So yeah, this one's really important, what I would say. One sec. We'll jump in the chat quickly before we move on. Alvara broke 5 million market cap and $2. It's just getting started. I think so too. Alvara just launched on Bitget, as you can see here. And where was the post? Yeah, I posted this yesterday. So there is a timestamp, there is the proof. Alva, keep an eye on it. That's all I'm saying. Not financial advice, just keep an eye on it. Where was I? Keep losing track here. Have you seen the official Pepe girlfriend? No, I haven't. And it'll probably pump again, as I say, like, you can't catch them all. There's over 2 million cryptos, you can't catch them all. And for anyone who just joined the stream, the Alvara prediction, let's call it a prediction, was a top end $5 billion market cap, bottom end 500 million market cap, which would be 100x. $500 million market cap. Real market cap, not fake, fully diluted market cap. So yeah, that's the Alvara prediction on that one. Easy 10x to 50 million. More difficult, let's say 100x to 500 million market cap. Remember that random nonsense meme coins are 5 billion in market cap. What car are you buying after this build run? Cars, I want to collect cars. The way I accumulate crypto, I want to accumulate cars. I want to just have a factory full of cars. And that's not all brand new Lamborghinis. I like old cars. Not old, like years 2000 kind of old. Modern classics, let's say. I want to own every one. Type R's, VXRs, Subarus, all of them. I want them all. Which you can buy like 20 of those for the price of one Lambo. Which I want. I want a big collection. Is Wolf officially linked to Pepe and made by the same creators? Supposedly it is, yeah. Supposedly it is. And there's been no marketing yet. So that's what makes me kind of bullish on it. It launched today. It hasn't even been marketed yet. And it's at 2.8 million. So, and memes blast to 20 million, 200 million. So yeah, 200 million market cap for this. It's 100x. You can buy Alva on Bitget and avoid gas fees, fam. I agree with Michael. Alvara play this video showed it really well. Yeah, so if you buy Alvara on Bitget, you'll avoid gas fees, which makes sense for anyone who's interested in Alvara. How many price point targets do you recommend when laddering out? As many as possible. As many as possible. To infinity. Take profit to infinity. Because if you're only taking a percentage of your portfolio, you can take profit. There is no end point. You'll never end up with zero. Dress up as a superhero each week. How did you hear about Wolf? It was brought to us by Mark from CG. Mark is in some... Yeah, Mark's in a lot of places in the crypto world, let's say. American places. Mark's very American with his contacts. And America's the place to be for these memes. So, yeah. We found out from a American associate. But yeah, I wanted to cover this quickly. So the reason that basically even just over the past week or over the past month, we've brung 3 seed rounds, which are impossible to get. The public can't get seed rounds. Brung 3 seed rounds to CC Pro, and then today a Memecoin that wasn't launched either. So that's 4 massive opportunities that we've brung to CC Pro members. CC Pro is our Discord, and this is the important part, right? So there is 2 different types of people in crypto. So there is crypto influencers that don't have any paid groups, so they monetize their audience through paid shills. So projects will pay them, they'll shill to their audience. Then you've got people like us. We've got a paid group, but because we're being paid by the group, we don't need to make money off the group. So we do things to benefit their journey rather than sell to them. We don't sell to our members. So there's 2. That's the options you weigh up. So because we generate money from memberships, we don't need to generate money from shilling things to our members. So that is why we are different from every other page on X. They just make their money through X. We don't even post on it. We just shit post on X. Because our money comes from our group. Because sometimes there's a stigma. That person's got a paid group. Yeah, we've got a paid group. But ask anybody in this chat right now that's in the paid group how it's going. Their membership is paid in one day, in one trade. But if people, put it this way, if you're not paying somebody directly, you'll be paying them indirectly. They'll be shilling something to you. They'll be making money somewhere. Our fee is transparent. You can join the membership for a certain price. Once you've paid that, our aim and goal is to make your journey as best as possible. That's why we've never posted Memecoins. We've never posted any shit. It's all real because we're being paid. We don't need to go out there and sell our soul to all these random projects. We don't need to. Other pages, unfortunately, or for whatever it is, they need to do that. It's just the only way to monetize. There's 2 options: monetize directly from the audience or monetize indirectly. So, and maybe the chat is Yeah, Lewis saying there, you're very transparent. Today's Memecoin pays for my alpha membership for the year. Exactly. And that's how we've always done it. And this is what's inside. So you get a membership. So it's not just our calls. You get daily members updates, a beginner's suite, a members chat room, TA, trade setups, trading tips, tutorials, newsletter, the CC Pro basket, which is 5k to 100k challenge, and everyone that's in that basket and in that challenge is up over 300%. Risk-free. Everyone, every single member that participated in the basket is in 300% profit and can't lose a penny. Crypto tax, giveaways, project updates, NFTs, 10% discount, a podcast, a members podcast, 2 podcasts a week, investing mindsets, copy trading as well, which is flying right now, and more. So we charge a monthly subscription. In that subscription, you get all of that. And also, which is more than getting all of that, you don't get shelled to. We never sell to members. We just give. Sometimes we'll ask members, can you leave us a review? But we never sell to members. Go buy this or buy this, buy that, whatever it is. Never. It doesn't happen. Initially, it started because we didn't need to. This started as a Telegram group. A paid Telegram group where we shared our journey. We said, this is what we're doing, we're selling this, we're buying this, just giving out value, sharing our journey. And then it grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now we've got 1,000 members maybe, and the prices just keep going up. If you'll notice, this was £40 a month, now it's 100, because we just keep adding things. So if you want to get in before it's up again, check it out. Opal printing, LimeWire printing, Flame printing, Solana shout printing, can go on. Does the group meet up in person? Yes. So there's been 2 members meetups already. The next members meetup we want to do is in Manchester, which will be in March. So yeah, the group, it will be meeting up again it's March now, isn't it? Yeah, well, hopefully by the end of this month we meet up in March. Alvara Protocol is the best project. Possibly. I like Alvara. Let's see how it gets on with time. But yeah, that's a wee bit on. I know most people on here is already in CC Pro anyway, but I just wanted to cover that just beware about crypto influencers. Some of them need to make money somewhere, which can often be from their audience indirectly. We don't need that. We do not need that. Join 1,000 CC Pro members. And Bitcoin is $68,700. So we didn't get a breakout on stream. Will we just chill here until Monday when the good old stock market opens, when daddy opens? Because the stock market is Bitcoin's daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say, but it is. The stock market owns Bitcoin. I'm sorry. I wish it was a decentralized utopia outside of the stock market's control, but it's not. It is the exact same chart as this chart right here. Topping at the same time. So yeah, that is all from myself. Thanks everybody for tuning in this marathon stream. I don't know if it was marathon length. during a bull run you can lose months, as Deck just showed exactly. It's mad, it's mental. But yeah, that wasn't the marathon stream because Bitcoin didn't break out. Stay tuned because there will be a breakout stream at any time whenever Bitcoin breaks out. If it's all-time high, I'll be streaming all day, all night, and we'll see how we get on. But yeah, that is all from me. Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you've not subscribed to the channel already, you should do it. And see when we go live next time. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.